Are you ready to nail party?
I will be using my Competitive Edge Custom Original Double Thick Extra Long Nail Forms, my Soft Pink Sculpt, my Shape It Up, my Stuck On You, my Eye of the Tiger from my Growl Power collection, my Flawless Base Gel, my Flawless Finish Top Gel, my Clean It, my Glass Dish, my Sculpt Duo Brush, and my Towelettes. Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. I will be using my Crystal Decanter Spray Sanitize, available in peach, gardenia, and fragrance-free. Sanitize your hands and your client's hands. The nail has already been prepared. Now I'm going to apply my nail form. I split the form. And I stick together my little wings. Then I place the curve underneath the free edge. Stick down the form and make sure that the form comes straight out, nice and even, nice and secure. Now I'm going to apply my non-lifting nail primer. Always dab it on my towel so I don't oversaturate the nail bed. Apply sparingly. This little bottle will prime 1,000 nails. Then I wipe my brush off on my towelette before I place it back into my bottle so I don't contaminate my primer. I let that dry. This kills the germs on the nail and dries out the oils in the nail. Now I'm going to apply Stuck On You Bonder Gel Base. This will make the sculpt adhere to the natural nail and prevent lifting. Cover the entire natural nail. Don't worry if you run over a little bit. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to pour a small amount of Shape It Up into a glass dish. This is to keep the brush moist during application. Now I will be applying my sculpt, and to create a long, thin sculpt nail, I will be applying my sculpt to the free edge first. This makes it easier to focus on the shape. And I will be going to a number 7 on my nail form, so my bead is going to be half the size of the free edge. So this is to a 7, so my bead is going to be about this big. Just scoop it off, place this onto the free edge, moisten my brush, and pat it out, angle my brush like a pencil from side to side. All the way to the other side. Flatten my brush out as I start patting it out. Get a little bit more Shape It Up. Start stroking the bead out onto the free edge, creating my shape all the way to the 7. Clean up the tip. I'm going to taper this in just a little bit more. Get it just how I like it. Bring up the side just a little bit. There we go. Now I'm going to do a 10-second quick cure in my LED or a 15-second quick cure in my UV. Now I'm going to squeeze my C-curve, get my shape, so all my focus is on my free edge, nice and tapered. So easy to squeeze your C-curve. This is really fun. Okay, once you get it how you like it, now I'm going to apply my cuticle area and my stress ball. Now I'm going to do my cuticle area and my stress area, and this bead is going to be about the size of my nail bed. Place the rounded edge towards the cuticle. Moisten my brush. Angling my brush like a pencil. Go around my cuticle and get it just how I like it. Get it as close as you can without touching. Focus on that cuticle area. Don't worry about this. Once you have your cuticle area just how you like it, then start patting from side to side, side to side. Then you're going to start stroking it out. A little more moisture. Stroke it out over the entire nail, going all the way out to the tip of the free edge. Get the shape just how you like it. So easy and so fun. And what's nice is it doesn't get hard until you cure it. So if you visualize it, you can create it. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to remove my nail form and cure one more time. But before I cure, I'm going to flip it over and see if there's any uncured underneath. Nope, looks great. So now I'm going to cure 1 more minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to clean off the nail with Clean It. I will be using my disposable 100 grit long lasting zebra file and my disposable clean finish buffer. And this buffer is made out of material, not paper. You can use it dry, you can use it with oil, or you can use it with water. It's so easy. Just peel off the back. Stick it onto the plastic core. So hold your plastic, line it up, stick it on. Now I'm going to score the edge of my file, so when I file around the cuticle, it's nice and smooth. I'm using my etcher. Just peel it off, throw it away. Now I'm going to file the nail in 5 steps. My first step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the left. Hold the finger securely. Come straight out from the nail groove. Filing straight out. Step number 2, file straight out from the nail groove on the right. Holding the finger securely. File straight out. Step number 3, shape the free edge. This is going to be a square, so I hold my file straight up and down. Go straight across. Step number 4 is the cuticle area and the top of the nail. File down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side. Down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side. Go around the cuticle area. There's a little road where you have product, natural nail cuticle. I'm going to place my file in that little road and file the product flush with the natural nail. Get it nice and smooth. The nice thing about Sculpt is it files really easy. Step number 5 is the client's angle. I turn the nail around and I look at the nail at the angle the client's going to be looking at for the next 2 weeks and a bevel down towards the tip. Get it nice and smooth. You want it to look beautiful from their angle. After I do my 5 steps in filing, I always go back and just double check. Check all my angles. Make sure I'm coming straight out from the nail groove. Both sides. Nice and square. Looks good. Now I'm going to buff my nail with my clean finish buffer. Nice long strokes. Go around the cuticle area. Get it nice and smooth. Down on one side, cross the top. Down on the other side. Out towards the tip. Get it nice and smooth. Holding the finger and the nail securely. You don't want that nail wobbling. And take off the little sharp edges. Have the client go wash their hands with peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply a thin coat of flawless base. This prevents gel polish from peeling around the edges. Just a little bit. Very thin coat. You don't even have to go all the way to the cuticle. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply Eye of the Tiger, my muted pumpkin orange gel polish. My first coat is going to be a nice thin coat. Cover the entire nail. This is such a beautiful color. Get it nice and close to that cuticle area. Cap the tip. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply my second coat. Get nice and even around that cuticle. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Beautiful color. Goes on so smooth. Love the coverage. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply my Flawless Finish, a non-yellowing high gloss top gel. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Clean off the nail with Clean It. Now I'm going to apply conditioning cuticle oil available in peach and gardenia. This is wonderful for the cuticles, helps the natural nail grow healthy, gets rid of hangnails. Now we have the extra long Sculpt hybrid nail with Eye of the Tiger gel polish. Beautiful. Love this color. This looks beautiful on all skin tones. Great autumn color. And when you're all finished, it's so easy to clean up. Just peel off your strip. Disinfect your boards. Fold up your disposable towel and throw everything away.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.